Love, thank you so much. We're waiting for the judge to enter the room, and then we say more things. Thank you.
Welcome, everyone. This is great. We normally don't have such a full house in the courtroom. So this is a really exciting day for all of us. Thank you so much for being here to celebrate Amaris. This is just a great day for her and for you, her friends and family. But it's also a really wonderful day for the state of Utah. We are really fortunate that we can welcome Amaris into the ranks of Utah's attorneys today. Because as all of you know, she's smart, and she's hardworking, and she's kind, and she cares about people. And those are all traits that are going to make her a fantastic attorney. And we are so fortunate to be able to have her join us in the practice of law. I think you all know that Amaris passed a bar examination. That's only one of the ways that Amaris passes the bar. And today, in front of all of you, she's going to pass the bar in a very different way. You see this barrier here between me and you that exists between this part of the courtroom and that part of the courtroom? That's called the bar. And so today, Amaris will pass the bar again. And we will allow her to come forward in front of the bar and participate fully as an attorney in the state of Utah. See, because that bar has a special meaning inside the courtroom. People in front of the bar can speak on behalf of themselves, but they can't speak on behalf of anybody else unless they are an attorney, right? And that gives attorneys a very special place in our society, right? Say you're involved in a divorce case, and your friend is the smartest person you know. It's the smartest person in the world. They've got a PhD in human sociology and another PhD in economics. And they'd be the perfect person to talk to the court about what's going on in your divorce. We're going to say, no, that person can't talk to the court. In order to advocate, in order to speak on behalf of somebody else in front of the court, you have to be an attorney. You have to pass this bar. And so that's what we're going to all get to see Amaris do today, is to walk through that bar and take her first steps as an attorney in the state of Utah. And I hope you are very excited.
Judge, may I?
Very much. Thank you so much. I'm so honored.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna say it loud. Can I give you the phone? Okay. Ready? Okay. Ready? Ready? Go. Good. Ready, baby? Come. Say it. Look at Nana's right there. Okay. Go, Dada. My baby's shy in here. It's okay. Go, baby. Go, learn. Wiggle, Daddy. I'd like to begin by respectfully acknowledging the presence of Honorable John Pierce. I'd like to begin by respectfully acknowledging the presence of Honorable John Pierce, Assistant Chief Justice of the United States Supreme Court. It is a profound honor to have you here with us today. Your presence has great significance and distinction to our sister's incredible achievement. Thank you so much for being with our family. I gotta breathe. Sorry. I want to give a huge and deeply heartfelt congratulations to our sister Amaris Leiataua, not just for passing the bar, but for the extraordinary journey that brought you here today. Law school and the bar exam are accomplishments that demand more than intelligence. They require discipline, sacrifice, unwavering determination. Amaris, you have shown all of that and more. Amaris is the oldest for a reason. She's always led the way with grace, purpose, and grit. Whether it was debating her way to get out of chores as a kid or planning her future with a binder at age 8, it was clear even then she was made for this. My sister's journey wasn't without setbacks, but she didn't let that define her. She doubled down. She worked harder, and through every challenge, she never lost sight of who she is, a woman of character and determination. Whether in the classroom, the office, or our family, she shows up fully. She is selfless to her core, always thinking of others, even when her own plate is overflowing. That's the kind of person we celebrate today, not just a brilliant legal mind, but a deeply good human being. Galatians 6:9 says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up." I know there were times when it wasn't easy, living away far from home, studying, working, and still showing up with purpose and strength. There were late nights, lonely moments, and hurdles that could have stopped her, but they didn't. She kept going even when the weight of the world tried to slow her down. She worked tirelessly, sacrificing sleep and comfort, all for a dream she never gave up on. And that's the kind of perseverance that deserves more than an applause. It deserves deep respect. Amaris, we get to watch you step fully into your purpose. You are walking in your harvest. To our incredible parents who came from nothing to build everything for us, this moment is yours too. You work so hard so we can keep our heads in the books and our eyes on the future. Your sacrifices are the foundation of every success we celebrate today. We love you. To our dear family, your love, prayers, and constant support have carried Amaris through every step of this journey. Thank you for being her foundation. And to Amaris's friends, co-workers, mentors, and everyone who stood by her, especially while she was away from home, thank you for being her village, for watching over her and encouraging her. For that, you all will forever be a part of us. Sis, we are proud beyond words. May God continue to guide your steps, bless your work, and use your voice for justice, compassion, and change. This is just the beginning, and we can't wait to see the light you bring to this world. This is more than just a personal victory. This is a reminder of where we come from and what we are capable of. So I say this with pride. Tene Samoa, tu mawalunga, sa e tau, I se taua whaingata, ma ua e manu malo. Malo lava le tauiwi, malo le onosai, malo le finau. Samoan women, stand tall. You have fought and you have conquered such a difficult task. Congratulations for your perseverance, patience, and determination. To God be all the glory for the great things he has done and for all he has yet to do through you. Congratulations.
My daughter was asking me to write out my speech, to make it short and sweet. So it is an honor for me, very humble, to stand before the judge here and to each and every one of you. My family, extended family, special guests who are here today to witness this special occasion. As a father of her, we came to America for Luke and church for better things, to better our families. So I'm standing in front of you with my heart full of gratitude and full of joy. And for most, to give thanks to our Heavenly Father for the blessings and protection of each of us as we are gathering here today. So we are all here to witness this special occasion for my daughter, Misa Amaris Leiataua. As a new attorney to this state of Utah, I'm very grateful to let all you know. She's a first-time born from the city of Compton. First-time born from the city of Compton. Would you all guys clap, please? Oh! First-time born lady from the city of Compton. As my children grow up and grew up, I always reminding them, wherever you go, stand up and tell everyone, I'm from the city of Compton, from Los Angeles. So I'm very proud of her. Very, very proud of her. For her accomplishment and achievement as she was pursued from the elementary, high school, and also in college. So I'm very, very thankful. As she grew up in our family, this young woman always read books. Reading, she loved readings. And it's very amazing that he came out this great weekend, the Mother's Day. A great gift for my wife and the rest of all the mothers who are here today to celebrate this special day for my daughter Amaris. I love you, Amaris. I can express my gratitude to you as you lift up our family to the next level. And my daughter was telling me one time, we're gonna get rich. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I would like to thank you to each and every one of you for coming out today and witness this special occasion. Avevo nei time o te tula Leiataua maleava man faloalo. Ile pa ia man mamalo le au fia o fai o le poto mai. Ile nei lava aso. Mo le aso le afine pe o le whaatulunga ina. Ia ono le manu malo. So se fai va lava e tapua ia. E a e mai man manuia. So se fai va lava e tapua ia. E a e mai man manuia. E ira le aso nei. Te mole toile nganga pia mo le nganga pa taitele. Ia o wainga poto. O wo. E masani mo fai o le whaatasi manila vaso. Te momoli atu le nganga pia mo le nganga pa taitele. Loto malanga mamao mai, ono loto fia awai, I le nei lava sao ninga pe o le tātou pātasia, I le nei lava asu. God bless each and every one of us. We love you guys. Happy Mother's Day. Congratulations, Amaris. Thank you.
Teo mai lo mai I kau ne mangava. Ya, malo lava soifua. Momoli lava le whaftai fo I le tuona mwhaitatu whaatasi mai le nei tūla. Peo ainga, o mai e masani. O lau tamwhai atu e whapālangi la o tau talang. Si tau poli sei lau ingirisi wa enea. Ya, o le aso nei, le wakako ko ngore fale, mo fale whamasi. O le a whaila o ko maturi. Yeah, okay. Honorable Judge Pierce, members of the jury, the innocent and the guilty, Talofa, welcome. Hello. Okay, I didn't want to say anything today, but I was forced by the lawyer to testify today because I'm innocent. So, if by any chance there's a warrant out there for my arrest, I'll say, arrest Ape. Sorry, Ape. Arrest Ape. So I can enjoy the lawyer's first official paycheck. Yay! As we all know in the Samoan way, even though we are grown and married, our parents still have a saying to where our paychecks and our money goes. So as a Samoan parent, I like that idea, especially right now. I like the idea of getting their paycheck. But then thought about it. This is America. I'm afraid that Amaris might turn me in and judge me for child endangerment for using her paycheck. But as you know, that's Samoan way. Before they do that, my 3-year-old grandson always say to me, Nana, koi kiki lava oi. What? Koi kiki lava oi, slap your face. Yeah. So before Amaris can do anything, we're going to take care of her. So Amaris, congratulations. Wow, we did it. Yay! Yay! I'm so humble and honored and very proud to be a mother of a lawyer. I know your journey was long and hard, but you make it to the end. Kulowa. Living here. We believe in you, and you proved that to us. You did it. We believe that it was God's hand on your hand that make it possible for us to be here today. So, Amaris, whatever you do in life, always look up to God and serve Him, for He is the main source of all blessings. We Samoan firmly believe the other way of getting all the blessing is caring for our parents, the elderly, until they die. And you experienced that firsthand. We took care of 2 grandmas, and a great auntie. And how sweet those blessings are. Me and Dad were blessed with having 5 children. We didn't think that we'll have kids after 7 years. So we are blessed with having them, and the children are blessed through us. So honor thy father and thy mother, and thy days shall be long upon the land which the Lord thy God has given thee. Now your life is blessed. Now go forth and bless somebody else's life. Remember your humble beginning. Do you remember the time we just eat elang? We cook it different way. You guys complain. We're tired of eating it. What I told you that if you want to eat steak and lobster, get an education. Now, you can eat all the steak and lobster. You can buy anything, travel everywhere, or whatever. Don't forget, every lunch, every summer, that we go to the park and eat free lunch. My son will probably say, "Mom, don't say that." But a humble beginning shouldn't be something you're ashamed of. Humble beginning should be a source of motivation, encouragement, a source where you find ways to beat all odds, to be better than your parents in education, and keep their respect. Amaris, remember the people that support you, the people that stood by you, beside you. Remember your families. Oh, never mind, not all the families. Maybe mom's family, because dad's family are well off. Kidding. Just kidding. I like the way you work. I like the way you solve problems. You say that when people mean or say bad things, you don't do revenge. You kill them with kindness. That's great. I'm proud of you. But kindness sometimes kills. So be careful. I'm speaking from experience. So don't forget your village. You have a big village. It takes a village to raise a child. Sometimes you don't see all your village people, but they're on your side. They're on your side. Every time they hear about your accomplishment, they're happy. They let us know. So some of them wanted to be here, but due to illness, a short notice, and it's Mother's Day weekend, they couldn't make it. But their thoughts and prayers are with you, congratulating you on this big accomplishment in your life. So I would like to take this time to thank every one of you that are here today. Those that came far and near, up and down, we thank you. We thank you for your time. We are grateful for the effort you put to be in person and to share this special milestone in one of our child's life. The Leiataua will be eternally grateful for everything that you guys have done for our family, especially our children. We're grateful for every birthday party, every wedding, funerals, whatever the children have. We thank you, their village, for always behind us. So the Leiataua's prayer for you guys is for God to bless each and every one of us. As we part today to our various destination, may our loving Heavenly Father keep us in His hand until we meet again. Amaris, mahalo tawili, mahalo whaeaia ainga. O sa talanga le ni tula, whaftai lava manuia. Ja. Atele la tula la. Se whaman morea. Se man tato whamanuia se lua whamon. Hang on. Hip hip! Hip hip! Tatolu mai, tatolu mai. Tatolu mai, tatolu mai. Yung mama po. Baftai lava.
And repeat after me. I do solemnly swear
I do solemnly swear
that I will support, obey, and defend
that I will support, obey, and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of Utah,
and the Constitution of Utah,
that I will discharge
that I will discharge
the duties of attorney
the duties of attorney
and counselor at law
and counselor at law
as an officer of the courts
as an officer of the courts
with honesty,
with honesty,
fidelity,
fidelity,
professionalism,
professionalism,
and civility,
and civility,
and that I will faithfully observe
and that I will faithfully observe
the rules of professional conduct
the rules of professional conduct
and the standards of professionalism and civility
and the standards of professionalism and civility
promulgated by the Supreme Court of the State of Utah.
promulgated by the Supreme Court of Utah, of the state of Utah.
Welcome to the bar.
Before I ever knew what Esquire meant, I knew what sacrifice looked like. My parents left behind their homes, their language, their families, everything they knew to be here. They landed in Compton, California, the city that raised me, carried me, and shaped me into the resilient woman I am today. They delivered the LA Times at dawn, worked in sausage factories, and collected pallets to make ends meet. Our house was overflowed. Aunties, uncles, cousins, all of us sharing that one bathroom. It was loud, it was crowded, it was love. I still smell my grandma roasting coco salmon in the driveway. The whole house gathered around the TV, cheering for the Lakers. We didn't have much, but we had each other. And in the middle of the chaos, they dreamed bigger for me. That's why I'm a proud product of the Compton Unified School District. I remember going through security screenings just to get onto campus. The outdated, tagged up textbooks, the code yellows, the riots, the teenage pregnancies. But I also remember my caring teachers, my peers, and my community showing up for each other. Because education wasn't our way out, it was our way in. Into understanding, into empowerment, into serving others, into law firms. I went from crowded Title I schools to UC Berkeley, alone, far from my immediate family, crying in my dorm room between molecular biology classes. I didn't know how to do anything, but I kept going. My parents didn't go to college. I couldn't go to them, but I found my community, my voice, and graduated. I studied Pacific issues in Auckland, and then earned my master's at UCLA, where I stepped into my purpose. What brought me to this moment wasn't perfection, it was persistence. Up until 4 years ago, the only attorneys I knew were the ones, the personal injury ones on the billboards, and the ones on Law and Order. And now I'm standing in the Utah Supreme Court with Associate Chief Justice Pierce, surrounded by a full room of attorneys.
Yet, we still have lots more work to do. Samoans are profoundly underrepresented in the legal field. Across the United States, Native Hawaiians and Pacific Islanders, including Samoans, make up just 0.2% of the legal profession, despite being nearly 1% of the US population. Disaggregating the data further for Samoans, I personally know less than 15 in the entire mainland USA. That's why this moment matters, why showing up matters, because every time one of us steps into this profession, we're not just breaking barriers, we're building bridges, we're making space for others to follow us. Next, my goal is to become an equity partner at my beloved law firm of Hall & Hart, to keep chartering through unknown paths, keep growing into a better attorney, and always keeping the door open for those coming up behind me, just as many of you have done for me. This is why I'm so deeply grateful for everyone who's helped me along the way. I could not have done this by myself. I'm the first attorney in my family. All of you sitting in here have brought me here. And it's why I'm especially grateful that each of you are taking the time out of your day to be here. Your love, your presence, your belief in me has meant more than I can ever put into words. So to everyone who traveled from Compton, San Diego, Inglewood, Orange County, Vegas, Samoa, DC, Colorado, and all across Utah, down the street, or just here, Justice Pierce, thank you. I feel your love and I feel your support. And Georgia, our uncle's here. Georgia, yes. I specifically want to thank my mom because she's a real one. My mom's been a day one, been at every game, every piano recital, Misa, everything. Her and my grandma, Famau, never missed anything. So like Dad said, Happy Mother's Day, this your gift. I want to thank my dad for being the best dad. I have the best, beautiful, and intelligent sisters. Brother-in-law, State President Manukai Leo, and Abe, for always supporting me in the background with a smile and for all the Delta benefits. All my cousins, aunties, uncles, all of you, my friends turned family. And especially, I want to thank my everything, Moimoi Lopa, for getting me through these past 3 years. I FaceTime him every day and he lifts my spirit. I truly believe that my grandma Fatma sent Moimoi Lopa to me because she knew how heartbroken I would be over her. I want to thank my ancestors who've gone before me. From my grandma Fatma, Grandma Bola, Tina, Auntie Salelia, Visi, Mama, all of them, for watching over me. I carry your dreams with me. I feel their love and blessings every single day. And I really, really wish my grandma was here to see the fruits of her labor, her sacrifice, her love. But I know she's watching from the best view. And I want to thank God for allowing me these blessings, for protecting me and guiding me throughout the journey. And last but not least, to quote Uncle Snoop Dogg, I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for never quitting. I want to thank me for doing all the hard work. I want to thank me for always trying to do good. I want to thank me for being a giver and giving more than I receive. I want to thank me for trying to do more right in the world than wrong. Because today, I don't just stand here as Esquire, Amaris Leiataua Esquire. I stand here as my mother's answered prayer, my grandma Fatma's wildest dream, my community's investment, and living proof that even when the road is uncertain, even when you're the first, You are never alone. Whaptai Leiataua, whaptai tau tala au mai, umatango fia ele ne yaso. Ia whamanuia Leiataua, ia te o tau uma, bea kala le fili o ligi. Pui pui ma leo leo Leiataua I le ala. Ai whawhitai tele ma lo tau susu mai, I lo nei lava aso soi, I lo nei lava aso, soi fua. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
So, just want to say, this is the happiest day in the history of this court. We have never had a day like this. This is so exciting. And I hope you all can feel what I can feel, that the practice of law in Utah just got better because we welcomed Amaris to our ranks. So welcome. If you'll all forgive me for just 1 second, I need to get Amaris to sign a couple of papers. And so we'll do that, and we're going to give her a certificate that shows her admission to the practice of law in Utah. But after that, you are all welcome to stay as long as you want and take as many pictures. Break Instagram with pictures of Amaris today. And thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it. And congratulations.
Thank you so much for all Amaris' friends, the lawyers from Washington, D.C. that are here, and from Colorado. Thank you so much for being here. Very, very, very appreciated. Thank you so much.
Picture first with Holland and Hart, because I know you all have to go back to the office. Holland and Hart. It's picture time. You guys can keep singing. Sorry.
Michelle, this is back first.
Thank you, Justice Pierce. I'm going to find you for the other.
How's it going?
Hey, girl, let's get behind.
You trying to get behind? How are you?
No, you're good. You stay right there. No, you stay right there.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh, man, he's the star. Just get close.
This is so going on the website.
Yeah. You're just chucking up
Sharing those pictures, right? One day.
How do you think I'm going to bring it to the bar? Because of you. We'd like to hear from Angles next. They barred you from this one. Come on, guys, I can always do
They feel soft, they're like trash.
Wow. These are gonna. Yeah, we just made them before we came. We just made them. That's from. Mom and Dad. Thanks. Your mom is so special. Sorry, we have one more. Okay, let's do. Yeah, I got you. Jen, hold on.
These are hits now.
On the next episode of Law and Order.
What's that?
On the mic.
Okay, Mom and Dad. And then any other, and then we'll do any other lawyer that has time. Okay, Mom and Dad. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
My turn, right here. Ready?
One more. Right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
I'm showing this in logs, so do you want me to edit the video or?
So first edit I'll need is just like a nice color balance of just the full thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I can't do it. I mean, I just don't know how to.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hey, give us a shout out to Compton.
3, 2, 1. Click, 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 click. Okay, I got a lot.
We're gonna switch places.
It would be nice to flash it now. That'd be nice.
Did you bring one? It's a video. All of a sudden, you camera shy now, dog.
Bro, let's just start our own business already, man.
Yeah. Own production crew.
I'm gonna turn on my fill flash. That's what I'm doing, man. Fill flash, fill flash.
Dang, my lighter, I have a lighter battery for my monitor, but it died. So now I gotta use the heavy battery.
Nice to see you come in.
But we're gonna have you guys over. What do you think? Settle down. Okay? Okay? Yes, of course, of course.
Jenny got the hot cheese. Our two landlords right here.
Thank you, Jenny. We'll see you at lunch.
Nana side, Nana side.
Okay.
He's jealous.
Yep. Got it.
Juliet, do you want to be in here or you want a solo shot?
One. Can you just take a step in? Sure. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wide one, wide one. 1, 2, 3.
Are you guys ready for me?
Oh, you good, you good.
Did you want a solo? Yeah.
Pretty good.
That's cool.
Busy. School, work, working for my school.
So did you get approved for to go study abroad?
I've been went study abroad.
Oh, you already came back?
Yeah, I was in Ireland.
Oh, dang. How was it out there?
That's cool. Excuse me, sir, with the dreads? You in the shop.
I am the shop.
Don't break the camera. Kobe's saving it right now. Kobe. Me too, Kobe. Video. Hey. 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 Whose man is that?
I'll just wait. I don't want to cut.
All right, and then put your phone away.
Oh, you nice.
Yeah.
Oh, you nice.
Where's she at?
How about right here, everybody? Look at me.
Carlos right there, Uncle.
One more with Patrick. Thank you.
Yeah, come eat with us. Yeah, no, really, come eat. Yeah. We'll eat.
Wow, so kind of good.
I think so. Come eat.
I know I haven't played in like in a month. I just been traveling.
Oh, that's good, man.
I just came back from the Hula Hula Festival. A couple
Oh, you
weeks ago.
went?
Yeah. Because I was
Was that in
Vegas.
Vegas?
Yeah. Oh, that was the Sevens.
Children.
Take a picture. Look. Smile. Hey, look over there. 2, 3. Say, wait for Christmas. 8 clap. 8 clap.
Sideways or landscape? Okay. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell me what we're doing on your feet.
I loved your speech. Loved it. I'm convinced. You are innocent.
Video. Olivia, say hi. It's a video. Unga, Johanna, say hi. It's a video. Hi, welcome to the Leiataua vlog. I can't confirm nor deny that I know this person.
Innocent.
I'm innocent till proven guilty.
Innocent.
Uh-oh. How are you?
What are you doing?
Don't say sorry, I've just been filming. Bye guys. Bye guys, see you there. Oh yeah.
I'll put it in a second to my pocket. Okay, this one. Thank you. Amaris, this one.
It's right here. Oh, nice.
Okay, one.
Mic'd up.
Okay.
Don't self-incriminate yourself with that mic right there. What? You cheated on your barks?
Stupid. You go. Jesse, yeah, can you put it on me, Winnie?
Are you good? Oh no.
Alright, here, one, two, right here. 1, 2, 3. Head on. Okay.
Is it portrait?
Oh, you want portrait mode?
Oh, I love you like me.
I love you too. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, yeah, save the best for last.
Oh, no, stop it. Sit down your left side. Okay. Okay.
This is beautiful. You made it.
Thank you. Yeah, I learned last year. Yeah. Okay,
Hold
thank
on,
you.
Gina, wait. Let me get another one. Come, I didn't feel like that was a nice one.
Oh,
Yeah.
on this side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. Give me Cena again.
Okay.
Aw, Cena.
I love you. So proud.
Thank you for making the time.
Of course. 16 carriages. I was gonna beat her. Hey.
Say the fully grown bears, go Cal.
Hey. Okay. Thank you.
One more, please.
Okay.
On this side. It's my better side.
Oh yes, gotta get your good side. 1, 2. You wanted portrait? Or portrait?
Oh, whatever.
Okay. I'll do regular 2. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Thank you.
I love it. Lovely. Oops.
Portrait?
I don't know, just keep snapping.
No, I'm doing portrait right now. I'm fix your face.
How does my say look, Emma?
What's your good side? This other level.
Thanks for coming in. My baby is obsessed with you.
I know, I love him.
Come on, Pepe. Come on, everything.
Oh, now
Right
you
here.
want to
Oh, now you want Okay, now me and my baby. Is he smiling? Can he hold this?
Hold that, baby. Hold it, baby. Look at us seats.
Wait, let me get one on my camera. Right here, Papa. Amaris, right here. Ready? Look at
Can I see your face?
Okay, simply.
Thank you.
Give her a paper back.
Pepe, no, stay, Pepe. Pepe, stay. We're taking another one.
Where's Dad? Dad, see you.
Please, Kiana.
Where's mine? Hey.
Oh, this one.
Get him check.
Hey, somebody take the picture, copy.
Honey.
Thank you, Lamu.
Come, baby.
There's a lot of feathers up here.
I'll grab it.
Hey, be in the picture.
Hey, Brian. Hey, come here. Come on, hey, Brian. Hey, come here.
Sina, can you believe that? Can you believe that?
Hey, Brian.
Kiana.
Kiana or Andrew? Okay, look at Kiana now.
See that?
One more.
Muchas
I'll
gracias.
just go to the restaurant. You have my card. Yeah.
Oh wait, I was gonna get the key. I was gonna get the cake. Amaris? Did we already take one? Girl.
I don't think they need a card there.
Wait, can I get one with us? Me and the baby and Moy.
Audrey, he's everything.
Come on, babe.
Careful, you okay?
Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Kiana has my phone, please.
Give me one of them. Kiana has
That one. Yeah, that one. Move, babe. Oh, let me pick up the baby.
mine.
Ready? Smile, baby.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Ready?
He said move.
1. Okay, right here. 1, 2, 3.
Smile, baby.
Everyone look at the baby. Everyone look at the baby.
Closer, portrait. There it is. Got it.
Thanks.
Hey, you guys come in.
Paul.
The van is leaving.
The van.
Wait for us. This is the last one.
How much you can come with me?
Nutzlers. Loey. Corn.
What do you want me to do?
You said, you got all the feathers from up here, please?
Dad.
And you said, is there any trash on the podium?
I can't deny nor agree that weed was in my pocket.
Come on. Thanks for coming, Corn.
Oh, Miss Lawyer.
Wait, man, don't leave me. Oh, I can ride with them too. Just kidding, I'm riding with Lola.
Scoot in, Corn.
Stand on his dress.
Oh.
I know where I'm at. I know where it's at.
Dad, you go.
Lanu. Lanu.
Represent.
I was lobbying for Samoan, what you call song, but I think your dad did it. Carry 1, 2, 3.
Okay, just me and Lola, please. Us two. And me. And the mother.
Bubble King.
1, 2. Right here. I mean.
And then we'll put step. 1, 2, 3.
Put one of your hands on the certificate. No, yeah, right here.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Amaris here. Take a photo.
Yeah, I want to take a picture. Hold this.
You want me to just no, no. You want to take one with me? I just want one. Just you two. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Everyone go to the restaurant.
Come on, Amaris, they're waiting for you.
Let's go. Hey, get a video of me like walking from there to there.
You want this with it or no? What is this?
I just started a documentary in Serbia last year.
Oh, wait. Oh, where's my lei? Let me get my lei.
Still in
Excuse me.
concerts.
Do you get a picture of everyone that was here? That was great.
Okay, right there. All right, guys.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, one more.
Is this yours? Yeah. Oh. Mic check, mic check. Mic check.
Give us some commentary, narration.
All right. I don't want nobody to contact me without contacting my lawyer first, my attorney, representative right there. Okay?